This chicken recipe I've been making for years. This is wonderful on the grill in the summertime or if you're watching your carb. So let's go ahead and just jump right into this. I'm starting out with 3 very large chicken breasts. I did slice these horizontally, and that way they weren't as thick, and I had 6 chicken breasts. And this is a great way to save money, by the way. If you find some really large chicken breast, it's a great way to stretch a meal. So I did wash my chicken first. I always do that. And then I put them in a Ziploc bag and I tenderize them. And if you're following along, we are just going to grab a bowl, put these in the bowl, and then you are going to need some lemon pepper marinade, and you can use any brand you'd like. I just grabbed the Kroger brand. It tastes just as good. I've tried other brands. This one's good. And we are going to marinate these. You want to make sure all the chicken is coated, put a lid on it, and just put it in the fridge for at least 30 minutes, or you can leave it all day, which is what I did. You will need a 9x13 baking dish, and make sure to oil that baking dish first. Go ahead and place your chicken in this baking dish. Then you will need a lemon or some lemon juice. I really like to cut the lemon into slices and place on top of the chicken. It makes for a very, very pretty dish, and it just really adds to the flavor. Then you'll just need some aluminum foil. Cover this with aluminum foil. And we're just going to pop this in the oven. You will need to preheat your oven to 325 degrees. We are going to bake this for about 45 minutes. And while that's baking, all you need is a dish with a glass top. Throw some vegetables and butter in there and put it in your microwave on veggie setting. Or you can always put this in the oven with the chicken. And voila, dinner is served. It's quick, it's easy, it's healthy, and it's so good.